Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how you can clear the format for your tables and graphs on Microsoft Excel really quickly, so let us get started. So head over to spreadsheet or document on Excel, and let's assume, for instance, you accidentally applied the wrong format to a table or to a graph. Like in this case here, let's say for example, I would like to restore the default format of that table here. So I guess what you want to do, guys, is simply highlight the entire table or the set of data or the columns or rows you would like to clear the format for. So let me go with the entire table, and what you want to do after that is simply head over to the Home tab here in top left, and here on the right hand side under editing you will see that feature or function called clear. Click on that arrow down icon here and select for example clear formats or clear all only the content. So let me clear only the format and at the same time leave the table contents. So select clear formats, and that is going to remove all the formatting. As you can see, the background color has been removed and borders and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how you clear the format for tables on Excel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.